In today's video, I'm going to compare Flowise AI and Zapier so you can decide which platform is better for your automation and AI projects. Both tools are powerful, but they are built for different jobs, and choosing the right one can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration later on. We're going to look at features, ease of use, integrations, AI capabilities, pricing, and who each platform is best suited for. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer on whether Flowise AI or Zapier is the better choice for you. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let's get right into it. Let's start with Flowise AI. Flowise AI is an open source platform built for creating AI agents, chatbots, and LLM-powered applications. What makes it stand out is its visual drag-and-drop builder, which lets you connect AI models like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google Gemini with tools like vector databases, APIs, and memory modules. That means you can build much more customized AI experiences without needing to start from scratch every time. Another big advantage is self-hosting. Because Flowise can be hosted on your own infrastructure, you get more control over your data, your setup, and your workflows. That makes it especially attractive for developers, AI engineers, and businesses that want to build custom AI solutions with more flexibility and privacy. Now let's talk about Zapier. Zapier is a no-code automation platform designed to connect thousands of business applications. It supports over 8,000 apps, which is one of the biggest reasons so many people use it. With Zapier, you can automate tasks between services like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, Notion, Salesforce, and many more. Instead of building custom workflows manually, you can create simple automations that save time every day. Zapier also includes AI-powered features like AI assistance and AI workflow generation, but its main focus is still business process automation, not building advanced AI applications. The big strength of Zapier is how easy it is to use. Even if you have little to no coding experience, you can build useful workflows in just a few minutes. So which one should you choose? The answer really depends on your goal. Choose Flowise AI if you want to build AI, chatbots, AI agents, document-based assistants, or custom LLM applications with advanced customization and self-hosting. It is the better option when your focus is on AI, development, and intelligent systems. Choose Zapier if you want to automate repetitive business tasks, connect thousands of apps, and build no-code workflows fast. It is the better option when your goal is productivity, business automation, and ease of use. If you're asking which platform is better overall, the simplest answer is this. Flowise AI is better for AI development, while Zapier is better for business automation. They are not exact competitors in every way, because in many cases, they can actually work together. A lot of businesses use Flowise AI to power smart AI agents, then use Zapier to connect those agents with everyday apps and processes. That combination can be extremely powerful if you want both intelligence and automation in one system. So here's the bottom line. If you want flexibility, customization, and advanced AI workflows, Flowise AI is probably the better fit. If you want speed, simplicity, and broad API integrations, Zapier is likely the better choice. The best platform is the one that matches your use case, your skill level, and the kind of workflow you want to build. If this comparison helped you, let me know in the comments which one you would choose. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more software comparisons and tutorials, and thanks for watching.